Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on level in camera so that you can take more accurate pictures. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply go ahead and open settings. Once you open settings, you need to scroll down and here you can see camera. So just simply tap on camera. Once you tap on camera, you need to scroll down to the composition section and here you will be able to see level. You can just simply turn this option on. So once you turn this on, you will be able to see level in camera. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.